What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this multi-time frame forecast. We're going to be going over Euro NZ for this particular analysis video. And before we get started, I want you guys to do one thing, and that is just like this idea down below. Not only does it support us, but it honestly does give others the opportunity to see these videos. Not only learn from it, but potentially scrape away some pips as well. We've been talking about the pips that we've been making over the last couple of months, and this week so far, over 500, and last month over 5,000 pips collectively. So the trades and the analysis that we're giving on a daily basis are only a fraction of the pips that we're executing. So if you are interested in learning more how to read charts the same way that we do and or scrape away the same amount of pips while you're learning, feel free to message us privately. We'll be happy to assist you on that. And that being said, we get straight into Euro NZ. And we already did analysis on this one before. If you guys don't remember, go check out the video in the past. But what we were doing essentially is just basically getting the monthly time frame and then taking analysis of that, trying to find a general trend and critical areas of structure that are relative to where price is at or where it could potentially be going. And when we were doing marking up this chart right here, we had seen several different areas of structure that were really relevant to where price was at and where it could potentially going. And that's what we marked up right here. We can see structure on the weekly, monthly time frame, and potential support. Support. And then we saw this channel right here, this flag, which is indicative of it actually reversing. But so it's a reversal flag channel, but right now, because we're trading inside the channel, we're looking for some bullish momentum upward, especially since we have this huge bullish push upward as well with a nice retracement. So we're looking for some movement towards the upside for this particular pair at the moment. However, like I said, we would be expecting price to start dwindling down and looking for some reversals on the higher time frames right here as well. But we can go straight into the weekly real quick and just identify some other patterns that we had seen. Now, if we take a look at this pair right here, or sorry, this leg right here, trying to get an idea of this particular leg right here, I know that there's a bunch of different things consolidating right here, but we're just going to consider this consolidation one leg because it is consolidation. The lower time frames would be individual legs, but you can see it aligns beautifully with the 61% threshold of this fib, which aligns beautifully with structure as potential support. So that's why we were looking for some potential buying opportunities. Initially, we were looking for some shorts, but based on the fact that we had treated this area as support once before and we are here again, we're looking for some buying opportunities. So this is what we're looking at right now. Oops, wrong one. So close. So we have two different scenarios set up right here. One scenario set up. I don't know why I said two. Where are you at, buddy? Basically, this. Oh, wait a second. We'll just put this right here for now. TP1. We can identify what the TP1 is a little bit later because I want to do this. Now, based on the extension, remember, if we're talking about extensions, that's going to be our target, usually our target reference point. But because we had seen some structure consolidating right here, initiated, and this week testing it as well, we're looking at this area being potential resistance. But the risk parameters for this trade is already good, so there's no need to be extremely greedy and try to make it up to this 127 extension of the previous leg. However, if you do make it up here, likely you would be in a break even and or moving your stop loss with the trailing stop, and then you can decide whether or not you want to close it manually or let it run its course towards the extension. However, for us, because we are doing so well with pips, we're not seeing the need to be greedy at the moment. So it's likely that we're just going to close at the structural resistance area, and that's why we're placing our target here. However, like I said, based on the strategy that we use, an extension would be ideal for, or it would be okay as well to place as your target. But like I said, we don't need to be greedy. We're doing well. It's great risk parameters already. Right here, there's no need to be greedy. And because greed, if you guys don't know this already, is a great way to lose your money. So let's leave emotions aside and not be too crazy in the markets. And we can just set this up as such. So we're going to move this a little bit here. We're going to put our take profit here. We're going to identify why this is a take profit. This is just going to be a structure on the weekly time frame. And that's it, guys. So right now, this is our setup. We are waiting for a confirmation on the lower time frames. We still have some bearish momentum coming through, but you can see that we have some teaser pops building, and right now we have a nice teaser doji building right now. So once this closes, based on the candle formation, assuming that we continue to respect this zone as support, we can see ourselves moving upward. But before we do that, we need to see some strides towards the upside, as in making breaks for higher highs and higher lows. So as you can see right here, we're still making higher or lower lows. However, we did, once this area of structure closes, we will see that we did in fact make a higher low right here. So idealistically, we want to see something like this and or something like this and this once more. So basically this, and then we can start looking for some trading opportunities. Until then, we are just being patiently waiting for the opportunity to present itself. Because it's the end of the week and we don't necessarily like to trade Fridays, it's likely we're going to see this come into fruition next week. But like I said, this week we already close to over 500 pips. No need to be greedy at the moment. So we're just going to be a little bit more patient and waiting. We could see it move towards the upside because elections are still occurring. I mean, they finished, but the results have not been presented yet. So that could create a lot of volatility, a lot of movement. But as you guys can see right here, we are staying away from USD base pairs for that particular reason, because of volatility. So right now we are in a setup position. We are still in a bearish environment, as you can see, based on the script that we created. And if you guys are interested in using that script as well, based on 4-hour time frame only in our trading strategy, feel free to message us and we can send you over that script as well. But right now we are just in a setup, patiently waiting for structure to give us a signal and a confirmation to actually make a purchase on this particular pair. So this is Euro NZ. Did I say AUD NZ? Sorry if I did. This is Euro NZ. Like I said, we've already done 500 pips this week with 5,000 collective pips last month. And if you're interested in learning more about a proper trading strategy, proper trading risk, and or making pips along the way, feel free to message us privately. We'll be happy to assist you with that matter. Hopefully you guys had a good week and you guys are staying safe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.